Yeah guys, what's up? I'm in this trade, but I entered when the price comes back on my key support level. I entered on the 15 minutes, no, on the 5 minutes. Yeah, but I entered, let me show you here. I entered when I got this bullish engulfing candlestick. Yeah, this bullish engulfing candlestick. I entered, but I don't know I don't know whether price will hit my TP or my stop loss, but I just entered. I'm risking $50. Yeah, I'm risking $50. I entered. That's how I enter the market. When the price comes back at my key support level or resistance level, I just enter. Now I waited since yesterday. When the price comes back at my key support level, I entered. I went down to 5 minutes time frame. Let me show you on the 15 minutes time frame. Let me show you on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, let me show you, because this was higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Yeah, this is the last higher low on the 15 minutes time frame. And when price came back at my 15 minutes higher low, I went down to 5 minutes time frame to take this trade. So I'm just waiting for price to hit my TP, but it's like price is still going down. But whatever, the moment I enter into a trade, I don't get out. I don't get out of the trade unless my TP was hit or stop loss. That's the only way I get out of the trade. Yeah, and right now I'm still in a drawdown, but no worry, I don't care if it is a loss or win. I don't care as long as I followed my plan. As long as I followed my plan. Yeah, I'm just waiting, because let me go up to H1 time frame and see. Yeah, on the H1 time frame, yeah, price is is bullish. Yeah, price is bullish on the H1 time frame. So I'm just waiting. Let me see if it is a loss or a win. I don't care. What I care about is, before I enter any trade, I first ask myself 2 questions. Did I follow my plan? If the answer is yes, then I'm ready to go. Did I follow my risk management plan? If the answer is yes, no worry, I have to stay in the market and see what will happen next. I'll be updating you on this trade. If it is a loss, I'll be honest with you guys. If it is a loss, I'll upload this trade. I'll upload this video, because I know I don't have any fear that price is going against me. Even if it is a loss, I'll post this video, because I know I have followed my plan. I did not break my rules. That's why I'm in this trade. even until now. Oh yeah guys, we are stopped out. We are stopped out. We are out of the trade with a loss. So let me go down to 15 minutes time frame and see what happened. Yeah, on the 15 minutes time frame, yeah, we are stopped out. We are stopped up after few minutes, like it was like 10 minutes. In 10 minutes we are stopped out. Yeah, and I think, where is the mistake? So I'm going to make sure that I find out the mistake. But trading, that's how trading works. Even if you follow your rules, follow your risk management, follow your plan, you can end up with a loss, and that's okay. That's normal. That's normal. I don't take it like a problem to me, because I did everything right. I entered the same way I enter, but that's the outcome. That's trading. And on my side, it's okay, because, so guys, let me show you what happened. Let me show you on the H1 time frame, because I analyzed this trade on the H1 time frame. Yeah, on the H1 time frame, price is bullish. Price is bullish, going up, creating higher highs and higher low, just like you can see here. Price is going up, creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So what I did, I waited, because there is some form of higher low here, a key support level here. As you can see, price reacted at this price point multiple times here. Yeah, price reacted at this price point here, 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 yeah, multiple times. So that's why I drew my key support level here. What I did, I drew my key support level here. I waited for price. When price reached this key resistance level, it went down. Yeah, it went down. I did not sell here, because when the price is in an uptrend, we need to buy. That's why I always follow the trend. And I waited for price to come back at my key support level, which is this one, for me to take the trade. So when the price came back at my key support level, I entered. But I did not enter on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, I did not enter on the 15 minutes time frame. What I did, I entered on the 5 minutes time frame. I entered on the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, like I told you, like I showed you earlier. Yeah, I entered when I got this bullish, let me zoom in, this bullish engulfing candlestick. Yeah, this big bullish candlestick, this big green candlestick, I entered. I think the problem I did on this trade, the mistake I did, I pressed my stop loss very tight. Yeah, I pressed it very tight. That's why my TP was hit, just like that. But it's okay, as long as I followed my plan. next time. So this is a lesson to me. So next time maybe I'll place my stop loss below here. Yeah, next time. So this is a lesson to me. It's okay, no problem. If it is a win, it is a win. If it is a loss, we eat the loss and we move on to another trade. Let's meet in another trade.